Okay, so we have very special thing we have received today. So let's see what exactly this is. I'm super excited to unbox it because I got it from my mentor. Okay. So wow, this is two things. There is not just one thing. I got it. This is something I'm waiting for so long. You can coach. So just wanted to so basically this is something I want, like signed copy from Siddharth, like more power to you for some sound. And that is like You Can Coach book. And this exact book helped me to finalize my niche. Like I was super confused when I launched my coaching program. There is one specific find your niche. This exact one chapter helped me to launch it. So I will highly recommend, if somebody still confused to finding your niche or something, they should at least get this book and start reading it. So I'll put down the link below in the comment box. And also this is like the board game. So recently Siddharth launched this board game. So this is also like how you can find your niche. So this gift actually I got. Why I got this gift? So I became a part of his Diamond membership, right? Because any successes, you believe that it is not just you who do it, because it's the community you part of. That is what defines you to success, right? So he said one thing, like your environment is more powerful than your willpower. So this is something. Just I just get into his community for lifetime membership, and in return, like he has given this beautiful gift. Yeah, so this is super awesome. Like I'm super excited to play this game. This is, I think, board. Wow, super awesome. Lots of pens. This is like the niche validation sheet, like where basically we have to look these 5 things when you finalize niche, like passion, problem, persona, potential, and payment. This is something super excited to play this game. There are a lot of cards. I can coach pains. So I'm super excited to have you. And if you really wanted to be part of his community, I'll also put down some of the links below in the comment box description, so then you can go check out, because I think he's the best one across the world who wanted to get into online. I think it is not just about coaching. It is whenever you are about any niche, I think this is something can help you to grow your business online. So yeah, so thank you so much, Siddharth. Thanks so much for this book. I'm super excited to go through it again. Thank you.